All right, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate some slow flying and some landing in a slight breeze. There's not much breeze out here, but in a slight breeze, just to show you in a controlled landing how to land it very slow and steady. And I'll do that in intermediate mode, not beginner mode. So here we go. So I'm going to take off in intermediate mode and low rates. Throttle cut is off, and I'm going to check the controls. Okay, all controls work, throttle's working. I'm going to take off to the south. I'm going to taxi out. So I'm on intermediate mode and low rates, and it's still okay to taxi just like that. So here we go, taxiing out, taking off. 75% power, and we're in the air. Okay. So I'm gonna turn, pull the power to idle at that point right there. Let the airplane settle down, come on down in. And then I'm going to hold it off the ground and let it slow down. You can see how much slower it's going. So in that landing, it was full back stick, and I'm going to try that again. So I'm going to take off. Pull the power back to 50%. Do a turn to downwind. I'm going to keep the airplane a little bit lower this time, so I've got the power actually below 50, so it stays at the altitude it's at. Still in intermediate mode and low rates. I'm going to turn final, pull the power back just a little, about 25% power. Now I'm going to pull the power back to idle, and we're going to let it come to the ground. Oh, a little bit of flare at the end there. That's all right. A little bit of flare at the end is not a problem. Just hold what you got and away it comes. All right, now I'm going to do a pass of slow flying. So I'm going to fly at about 30% power with the, there's 30% power, and staying level. Actually, that's now 20% power, and that's flying extremely slow. And watch, I'm going to turn here, and I'll pull it up into a stall, okay? I'll get down here a little ways, I'm going to pull it up, and you'll see the nose start to drop. Okay, that's the stall. All it does is the nose start to drop. As soon as the nose starts to drop like that, I let go of the back pressure and recover it. Here's the same thing with idle power. Okay, that's a stall. It's fully stalled at idle power, and it's just coming down. So I'm going to recover by letting, that was the elevator full back, and power was idle. So I'll do that again, right in front of you. Okay. That's idle power, and that's in a full stall. Okay, I'm going to recover by adding power, and now I'm going to try to do a landing right in front of the camera here. Actually, the wind is from the south. I'm going to turn and land with whatever little gentle breeze we've got from the south here. So I'm going to turn here, staying relatively low to the ground. Power is only about 20%. Power is idle. Let the nose come down, and you'll see how slow it gets before it hits the ground. Okay, that's slow flight and a slow landing. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.